Street Trues. And,
Bobby Joe Lowe, 30 more seconds.
With Invicto out and a little bit of Boomerang too.
Hell yeah. You got a pad on that?
Huh?
You got a pad online?
Yeah.
What's good, big dog? This is the South Bottom Kennels second annual dog show, and the man you see right there is Mr. Floyd Boudreaux. I was amazed to get to see him up close and personal because he's getting up in age. These dog shows are not only a great way to get with friends like Elevated Kennel Scene here, but they're also a great way to meet people from the past, present, and the future of the game to ensure that the right stories and right secrets are being passed on to keep these dogs.
Okay, let's go.
For our video, Big A comes in recording early in the morning, and I decided
Hey,
to
what's
what
happening?
was captured.
Sit. Hey, it's okay. Come on, Michelle. Michelle, come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, girl. Michelle, let's go.
Oh, she don't want to come on off the tile.
Come, Michelle. Yeah.
You trained her like that.
Yeah. Come on, girl. Come here. Oh. Yeah. She won't out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. She should have been in the car for 20, 11 hours.
Yeah, man.
Look at that back end.
Yeah.
Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
What's up, Michelle? What's up, girl?
Yes, sir.
Got the boy Dre, JT. We in this bad boy, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It is game time.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Game day. Got a couple people got people calling people out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What you say, JT? Run your dogs, not your mouth?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Throw it. I'm not driving till we get back to Texas.
Come
Yeah,
here.
it's
Yeah, till we get back to Texas, man. Hey, hell no, bro.
Yeah.
I'm about to be in the back of the seat.
Yeah.
It's 14 hours just to get y'all niggas back. There's another 13 to get back to Louisiana. To get back to AZ.
Yeah, that's a whole nother day.
But yeah, this is a trip right here. This is my personal trip for the year right here.
Yeah.
And then I'm supposed to be in Myrtle Beach next month, man. Like,
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Tom going and shit?
Nah. My wife and I, like, okay.
Oh, that's a thing.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Like, let me,
You driving?
No, we're flying.
Oh,
we
okay,
flying.
okay.
So we taking the little three because my dad and her grandma, they haven't seen them since they was born. You know what I'm saying? So we taking the little three so their family can see them, whatever.
Yeah.
And then I was gonna link with Battle Bread while I was there, whatever. And
Yeah, we here at that South Bottom, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? All right. Boy, JT. You know what I'm saying? JT about to fix somebody's transmission over this bad boy.
What is that?
JT about to fix somebody's man.
Yo, man, we out. It's recording, bro.
Huh?
We recording?
Yeah, we recording.
Yo, man, we outside, man.
Yeah.
Run your dog, not your mouth. You
Run your
understand?
dogs, not your mouth,
Nah,
man.
for real, man.
Yeah, South Bottom, you know what
Yeah.
I'm saying?
Yeah,
Already.
man. Ready to compete, man. Hey, how y'all doing?
All the stuff on the table, and they got the $5 raffle for the TV.
Let me raise the first camera and now let's go. Let me do that for sure. Also, I want to keep.
Fuck them edibles.
how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
You need to see my paperwork and stuff? Oh, perfect. Okay.
Fuck them edibles,
so
man.
We got
2025.
yes, ma'am.
Hey, man, I wasn't gonna show up. If them hoes wouldn't wear off, I wasn't even gonna say, man. Them hoes had me ready.
Oh, yeah.
We have the best condition that's one.
Them hoes had
Okay.
me ready.
Let me put one for best condition.
Okay, you want male or well, no, what's the name of the dog?
Saki.
Saki.
SAKE.
Yes. What's the kennel?
Samurai
But
Kennels.
instead they got that hot heifer shit. They got that hot heifer.
Oh, right there. And then you said the
First and second confirmations, they're $20 each and $1 is
Hey, how
Okay.
y'all doing? How y'all doing?
first and second one.
First and second.
And then-
$10.
Yes, ma'am. It's all gonna be the same dog all the way across the
And that's
How much the hat?
a male or female.
a male.
How old?
Yeah,
How
two.
much the hat?
No, I'm telling you a lie. He 3.
3.
He 3.
Are you Vicky Fisher?
I am.
Oh, okay. Glad to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Who are you?
I'm JT, but I don't know. I go by Genetics Rock and stuff.
I think they're 25, huh?
Yeah,
The
yeah.
hats are 25.
Okay, that's what's up.
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all see you on Facebook all the time.
SAKE.
Yeah, I see you on Facebook all the time. That's Vicky Fisher, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm good. How about you, man? What's your name? Tupper. Tupper?
Yes, ma'am.
JT, man. JT, man. Yep. Yep, my boy Samurai Kennels over there. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Yeah, she be on that book, man.
We over here at South Bottom Show. You know what I'm saying?
DOGA Kennels, man. Tommy.
What's your name? Hold on.
DOGA Kennels, Tommy. Man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. What kind of dog is that?
Man, we got the bottom outside of the road. Some red dirt. These is red dirt.
Okay. Yeah, and that's his mother in here, huh?
It's fireball.
Okay. Hey. Hey.
I like her.
Yeah.
I got
What's up? What's up? What's up?
No. The other half brother is the half brother to them dogs.
That's okay. That's the other.
Hey. My boy.
Oh, and he dedicated life to fight for our country too, so y'all give him a round of applause.
Yes, sir.
to him, man. Oh, Drake.
This first trophy goes to a brother that's been dealing with these dogs for close to 40 years.
Hey, I gotta move so I can.
Best Pringle, everybody.
Overall, we had a great experience. Miss Young took Best Buckskin, and Miss Young and Saki both took first place in the morning and evening shows for their respective age groups and classes. Although we did not win any Best in shows, it was great to compete. Here's some photos and images that were taken from the show from people that you may or may not know of. I'm not going to sit here and try to express who each individual person is. For those things, you need to get out to these shows, show some support, and mingle so you can truly be amongst those great people who are carrying the breed forward. I want to give a special shout out to South Bottom for hosting the show for the people, by the people. And another shout out to Arrowhead Kennels for coming out and judging and helping the community move forward. There are a lot of individuals that put some part into this show, and each one of them deserves the biggest salute that Samurai Kennels and the Shogun Army can give them. I want to say thank you to everyone who showed up and everyone who came out with their dogs to allow us to compete with the best breed in the world. Thank you so much. And until next time, until next season, make sure y'all like, follow, subscribe, and share. And we are holla. Samurai Kennels, over and out.